So one thing that you can make a couple days in advance on that road leading up to Thanksgiving is your fried onions to top your green bean casserole. And you can choose an onion, if you can, like the smallest onion that you can find, but I'm going to use some shallots. So if you do not have a mandolin, you want to just slice these as thin as you can. I don't know if you can see about the thinness that I have mine. And I'm going to soak mine in some buttermilk. Now you want to soak these in buttermilk for a minimum of 10 minutes up to an hour. And when you soak them in the buttermilk, what it does is take that really harsh bitterness onion taste out of them and really highlights their sweetness. Now these are super easy to do. They do not take a lot of time. And I know that you can go buy a bag or a can of them, but if you look, the very first ingredient is palm oil. And palm oil is one of those oils that we really want to stay away from. So for this recipe, you can do 1 small onion. I did 3 shallots, 1 cup buttermilk, 1 cup flour, and then I'm doing 1 teaspoon of my Cajun seasoning blend. Now, because I don't put any salt in my Cajun seasoning blend, I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of salt and some fresh ground pepper. Now give that a whisk. Now you want to fry this in a neutral oil that has a high smoke point. So you can do avocado, you can do peanut, and for your oil temp, you want 375. So I'm going to take just some tongs, kind of shake off that buttermilk from my onions, roll them around in my flour, shake them, and drop them in your oil. Now they're going to cook for about 3 minutes, just till the crispiness that you like them. Now I'll also start doing it with my hands, just because I really like just working with my hands. I think it does a much better job. Now these are great not just for your green bean casserole, but for burgers, for barbecue sandwiches, for salads, or just to munch on. Now you're going to want to store these in an airtight container, and I highly, highly recommend that you hide them until you need them. Because if you or your family come across these, you can easily eat half the jar in no time. Now coming up, my green bean casserole without any canned soups. You don't want to miss it.